Santa Marta, day 1. Gracias por hacer eso y mucha suerte.
Que tenga feliz día.
Gracias. I just arrived in Santa Marta, far north of Colombia on the Caribbean coast. It's really warm, really humid. The architecture is interesting. It's my first time in the Caribbean. I really arrived like 5 minutes ago. I just dropped my bag at the hotel and now I'm walking toward the coast. Maybe I can catch the sunset. Let's see. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it's worth it. It's really cute. I mean, it's cute between the sun and the nature and the dogs. It doesn't look that bad. Put my feet in the Caribbean Sea. Yeah? That's Santa Marta, day 1. Vais a ser famosos, ¿eh?
Claro, primo. Influencer.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estamos?
¡Bien! Más que todo la recomendación para buscar. Que no vaya a viajar. Buenas tardes, bienvenido, ¿qué tal?
So this is the same street as yesterday, the one that was crowded with all the shops, people selling shit everywhere. It's the same street, just everything's closed now. It's too early, it's 6:30 a.m. The temperature is perfect. It's a little windy, but it's nice. I missed the sunrise. We'll do better tomorrow. Feels like we all have the same idea at the same moment. It's nice here in Colombia, there's like outside gym everywhere. How do you recycle your old truck tires? Well, you just drop them in the sea, you know. Hola. vosotros estáis acá cada día a limpiar siempre.
Sí, claro.
Y como es cada día lo mismo que viene de la mar.
Todos los días.
No es mierda que la gente dejan aquí en la playa, es mierda que viene
Del río.
del río.
Sí. Lo saca del río y lo bota al mar.
Entonces viene de acá del río.
Sí.
Ok, vale. Y ok.
Lo bota el mar para acá.
¿Y cuántas personas estáis a trabajar, a limpiar?
Bueno, a veces nos mandan 6, a veces nos mandan 4.
4 o 6 personas
Sí.
cada día.
Todos los días.
Por un trabajo que necesitaría como 100 personas, ¿no?
Por ahí más o menos. Pero ajá, con todo ahí al paso, vamos dándole.
Ok. Vale.
Hasta donde termine la hora laboral.
Ok. Pues gracias por hacer eso y
ok.
mucha suerte.
Que tenga feliz día.
Gracias. So yesterday I looked up online what places to go and not to go in Santa Marta, and my hotel is actually near the marketplace and Market Street, which is the street of my hotel. So that's why it was cheap, because it's the worst. It's the worst street. It's the only place where you're not gonna walk there by night. In the day it's okay. No one really cares about me. Yesterday night I walked because my Uber account was not working, so I had to walk back home like 9. It felt dodgy. It was okay, but it felt like okay. I don't want to walk here. So that's all. I'm just not gonna walk at night. Not gonna play risky. I'm just gonna go out during the day, and that's all.
Casi para que la cola se le va para allá.
Con su botecito.
Y lo dejo,